Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to have lunch here in Jwala Restaurant. I can show you the restaurant. Here you go. Thank you. Oh, the food was excellent. Oh my god, chicken biryani. Oh my, what a dish they are making. The cook is very excellent. So and wow, chicken tikka and tikka masala. Oh my god, this Deepika cocktail. Oh my god, this looks tastes like Deepika and it looks like Deepika only. Huh? So if you live in Doha, yeah, you must visit here. It's a wonderful place to have Indian cuisine, and must taste here. Must taste the chicken biryani. That's especially very good. The price is also a little bit high, but it is justified for the food they are giving here. So this is the bill we got. 376 riyal. So with this, I'm signing up from this Jwala restaurant. Take care. Bye bye, and please subscribe to my channel.